Luke, you must eat your Salisbury steak if you want to become a powerful Jedi.
All right. Cut and remove film from dessert. Get a little bit of dessert. Man. Now cook for 35, man, after a long game, I gotta wait 35 minutes. All right. Well, let's see how this turns out. All right, so second episode of Frozen Food Adventures. Like I said, being that, you know, sports is now going on, everybody's on the run. For you bachelors, bachelorettes, you want to cook a big meal. So like I said, I'm doing one. So today we got the Banquet Salisbury Steak meal. This is Salisbury steak, gravy over Salisbury steak, which the Salisbury steak, I don't know why I'm looking at the microphone, which the Salisbury steak is made with chicken, pork, and beef, creamy mashed potatoes, cinnamon apple dessert, and sweet corn. So my wife asked me, how come you're doing it in the oven? How come you're not putting it in the microwave? You know what? I want to give all of these the absolute maximum benefit of proving what they're about. And if you put it in the microwave, listen, we know it. You know, you got to do it in the oven. Even though the microwave, 6 to 7 minutes. Oven takes 33 to 35 minutes. I did the full 35, just to make sure. Once it's all cooked, you have to. Oh, that's it. You just cook through. Let's stand. Oh, stir potatoes. Let's stir the potatoes. And let me tell you, this, while I'm stirring this, it actually looks very scary. Do you know the difference between Salisbury steak versus meatloaf? Anybody know? Salisbury steak, you usually make it in a skillet. Meatloaf, you usually make it in the oven. Meatloaf, usually you put like a tomato base, topping glaze kind of a thing. Salisbury steak is usually a traditional gravy on top. I've had some good Salisbury steak back in the day, like Pete's Corner, who's now, you know, R.I.P. You know, best Salisbury steak you ever had. He'd make it like this, gravy on it, the sandwich. Forget about it. Pete's Corner in Midland Park, no longer there. All right. First of all, if I had to eat this for dinner, I would probably be getting something else because there is no way in hell this is. First of all, it doesn't even look appetizing, but again, you know, I'm not going to judge a book by its cover. So one meal, this is what it's about. Let's go easy first. Sweet corn. Kind of hard to mess up canned corn. All right, let's get to it. Salisbury steak. Oh my God. Let me try the mashed potatoes instead.
Oh no. Oh my God.
I'm going to try one more piece of Salisbury steak because maybe I just didn't. Maybe my taste buds were off. God. Let's move on to the... What the hell does this come with? The cinnamon apple dessert. Wow. For the 3 infant-sized bites of apples they put in here, the overload of cinnamon, this is probably one of the top 3 worst things I've put in my mouth. That's what she said, in my existence. So like I said, being that it's baseball season, we're going to rank things. We did the Red Baron. Was it Red Robin? Red Baron? Red Baron. Red Baron. Deep dish pizza got a double. This gets a strikeout looking, and then they tripped on the way to the dugout and hit themselves in the face with the bat and wound up having to go to the emergency room for 25 stitches across the face. I would not eat this. If I was on Naked and Afraid, and in the middle of the, you know, when they put the people in the middle of the Philippine rainforest with 1,000 degrees and they're eating the little termites, I'd rather eat the termites than this is horrendous. So with that said, thank God my wife bought stuff for a sandwich, because this, oh. How much did this cost?
$2.50.
$2.50. Worst $2.50 I ever spent. Worst $2.50. Well, that's that. Until next time.